Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make treble crochet. Now I've already done some chain stitch ready to start, but only a small number. Now when we start our treble crochet, obviously we need to hold our wool, so I do it across my little finger, under my ring finger and across both of these, allowing me to hold my chain stitch between my thumb and my my index finger. Now when you're starting your treble crochet, you want to leave 2 chains to form what would be your first one. So 1, 2, and you're in to this one. Now this is the front of your chain stitch. You can see your little V. But when you are starting, you want to just turn your work just that half turn. And on the back here, you can see you've got 1, 2, 3, you've got that little line right there. Right there. So what you want to be able to do is put your hook under that particular loop. So that's sort of like a middle loop and it's a straight line. To make your treble crochet, you're putting your wool around your hook to begin with, putting your hook under that particular loop, put your wool around your hook, bringing it through to give you 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through 2 of those loops. That leaves you with 2 on your hook. Put your wool around your hook, pulling it through 2. And that forms your treble crochet. When you are doing your next one, again, it's put your wool around your hook, looking for that straight loop right in the middle of those 3. Put your hook through, underneath that one. Put your wool around your hook, pulling it through. Put your wool around your hook, pulling it through 2. Put your wool around your hook, pulling it through the next 2. Now when you first start your first row, this can always take a little bit of time, a little bit longer than it will when you get going on your next rows. But obviously, it is only your first row, so try not to worry about that. It takes me time to find what I need to do too. So put your wool around your hook, look for that line, put it under that loop, wool around your hook, pull it through, leaving you with 3, wool around the hook, pull it through 2, wool around your hook and pull it through the final 2. And that forms your treble crochet. Now if you work your way across your chain stitch to the end, I will meet you back there, show you how to do your final stitch and then how to start your next row. So I have finished this row on my test piece. I've left 1 stitch to do, so we will finish that off with our treble crochet. So this one can be sometimes a little bit more difficult to do, but once you finish this row it will become easier. So we've got again the last chain stitch, and you can just see that straight piece there. So we do the whole, put wool round our hook, putting it through that 3rd one which forms there, put it round our hook, pulling it through to give 3 on the hook, put the wool round our hook, pulling it through 2, put it round our hook, pull through 2, and then that finishes our row. We then decide to start the next row of treble, we will do 2 chains, so 1, put the wool round, and 2, turn on our work. Now when we start this, we're not looking to put it in the big hole there. You can see the little hole on the top right there, and if I put my hook through there, you can see the little V that forms our stitch. So obviously we're going to do our treble, so it is putting the wool around our hook, putting it through that hole, taking in both of those loops, put the wool around our hook, pulling it back through to give us 1, 2, 3 loops on our hook, put the wool around our hook, putting it through 2, around our hook, pulling it through that final two to form our treble crochet. I'll do one more, put our wool around our hook, put it through that hole right there, which goes underneath both of those loops that make our stitch. Put the wool around our hook to bring it back through to give us 3 loops. Put the wool around our hook, bringing it through 2, and round our hook, bringing it through 2 to form our treble crochet. And that's how we do treble crochet. I look forward to seeing you back here soon, and thank you very much for watching.